Hello everyone, this is Han Song, and I'm so excited to be teaching English with teacher Zhang soon. I've been learning the English on my own, no fancy goals, but a lot of practice and a strong passion. In 2022, I started teaching the English to young learners. Then I realized this is what I love, what I'll be doing in the future. Later, I joined Canisius College and earned my diploma degree in business administration. Now, I am so proud to continue my teaching journey with you. My classes will be fun, interactive, and focusing on real speaking practice. So, let's grow together step by step. I'll see you soon.